Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am going to do an unboxing for you. I have a package that I received from a company called Reyna Rose, and they asked me to do a review for them, so I wanted to show and share with you guys. And Reyna Rose is a nail company, so let's see what we have. We have these little press-ons, really pretty pearl white and marble look and they're supposed to last up to 7 days. These are actually the peel off and just press-ons. I would probably still use glue just to make them a little more durable and last a little longer. So we might try those. I want to see what's in here before I say which one I'm gonna try. We have this one, and this is pretty. Same type of thing, the peel off press on salon results. There's 24 in here too, so you could get at least 2 sets. And then I have this one. Ooh, this is pretty too. Oops. That pretty. It's got like a diamond texture to it. It's pretty. And then I have that's on here. Okay, so we have these here. And this one as well. How pretty is that? Oh, the hearts are so pretty with the foil. And then we have a kit here. There's wet wipes, there's some glue, a nail file, some nail glue, some of these little stickies for temporary nails. Okay, and this was more of a luxury, like handmade set of press-ons. How pretty are those? And that's funny, I've been dying to do a purple set. Ooh, this might have to be it. Very cool. I like the style of them too. You know, I like almond. And it's time to get rid of these. Oh, look at that. Ugly, ugly, ugly. I chopped them down. I was... ugh. They're a mess. It's time. Let's change them. Let's try out these new products. Hey guys, I just wanted to pop in and let you know these tips are actually much more durable than I expected. They're on the thicker side, which is really nice. Don't forget to etch the inside, so that way if you buff your natural nail and you etch the inside of these, they will definitely stick and last you a lot longer with a little drop of nail glue. So that's what I did. And I have worn them now for about a week and they're still on. They still look super cute. I had them on through Easter and I loved them. I thought they were so cute and perfect length. not very long, so easy active month. And there you go. How cute are these? They're so adorable. I love the design. It's nothing I would normally or typically go for, so I love the change. And I wanted to add a couple little Fimos just to be a little more Eastery, so I added those. So you do need to buff them out lightly if you want to do like a top coat. It doesn't really need anything. Like, they were already shiny and they looked perfect, but if you want to add anything on, obviously you need to buff them out and then do, you know, a base coat, and then whatever you want to add to it, nail glue for jewelry and all that kind of stuff. The good thing about Fimos is that if you don't like the feeling of something on your nail, like bumpiness or anything raised, you can actually buff them a little flatter and it does nothing to the actual Fimo. Okay, so before I end the video, I wanted to open these up and just take a look at them. These are the polish strips that they sell. And just to try one out, I wanted to try one out just on my thumb and see how easy it applies and how it works and everything. So when you peel off the sticker, it's sticky only on one side, and you can just line it up. I kind of wish they were clear and not white, but I mean, obviously it'd be better on a natural nail or a smaller nail, not one that's already been made and everything. But I was able to fix this too, so I didn't want like both of them on, both hearts, so I was able to just trim it. So I'll save the other heart for another day. Like I said, I literally just wanted to try it out to see what it looked like and how to work with it. So I just snipped it off and kept just the one little heart. But it went on well. It had no bubbles. And it actually blended pretty well with my thumbnail once I put the top coat on. Okay, so that's it for me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this press-on set and this haul from Reyna Rose. And if you're interested, please go check them out. I will leave the link in the description box. And thanks for watching. Bye guys.